Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care, and just wanted to drop in real quick here Sunday afternoon and talk a little bit about some of the old Excel spreadsheets, some of the other information. Guys, you ask for it all the time. There's a lot of little other things that people inquire about, and I try to do my best to keep up on it. And I apologize to anyone that's asked for any of that information. I just haven't got back to them. I've tried to get, I try to get back to some of my emails. But I think I've mentioned it multiple times that I'm just keeping up with the businesses right now. Any of the additional stuff, I try to spend a little time here and there, shoot out some comments, shoot out some emails, but I'm not doing a great job on keeping up with it. With that being said, we are going to be getting things together, compiling things at some point, and potentially putting it on another website, somewhere to drop all of it so it can all be found, it can all be downloaded, and that way it's always there. So anytime you'll need it, you can just go, you can find any of that information. And I'm gonna keep putting more of those things that I talk about, or the little trick things I have, or little things that I use in our business. We'll put it on there. Something I've been working on right now that I think is going to be an awesome thing for our business is a landscape estimating, like a quick cheat sheet to give to someone out in the field with a questionnaire where it basically walks them through everything, and the cheat sheet will be followed by pictures in Google Photos. So when it's asking about bed materials, well, you go to the bed materials section of Google Photos, and this is a cloud-based program, so you can look, you can show the customer all of them right there, mark what they want, then you go down through there, go to borders, and you can look at all the different border photos, and the customer picks what they want, and it allows us to really get things done quickly, efficiently, give a customer a very quick baseline price, so we have an idea of what direction we're going to head in. So things like that, and other things we've had, other things people ask for. I'm sorry we're not getting it out, but we're going to get all that compiled. I don't know how soon that's going to happen, but it will all be there available where anyone can go and get that at any time. So everybody, I hope you're doing great. I hope your year's starting off great. And I hope the estimates are coming in and you guys are being efficient, cutting through them, and getting some jobs up on the board. I hope you have a great Sunday evening. This is Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care. Please like and subscribe, and we'll be talking to you soon. See ya.